In today's video, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11 without losing data. So, you might want to reinstall your Windows 11 because you might be facing some technical difficulties. And to solve it, what you have to do is just go to search and search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. And after you're in settings, what you have to do is from the left-hand menu, just go inside system. And after you're in system, just scroll down all the way down to recovery. And inside recovery, you'll find options like reset, advanced startup, and go back. Just expand recovery. And under recovery options, you'll get an option of reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Just click on reset PC over here to move forward, resetting your PC and reinstalling Windows. After that, it's gonna give you two options. Either keep my files, which will keep all the files, the personal files, but remove the apps and settings. Then another is remove everything, which will remove literally everything. You want to select the first one if you don't want to lose your data. And after that, it's going to give you two more options asking you how would you like to reinstall Windows. There are two options. The first one is local reinstallation, which reinstall Windows from this device. And another one is cloud download, which download and reinstall Windows from the cloud. It requires more than 4 GB of data, so be careful. Just select one and click on next. Then just give it some time. It's gonna move forward with the process. I'm just gonna cancel it because I don't want to reinstall my Windows, but you just move forward with the process. It might restart a few times, and after that, it will be back on up, and you'll have a reinstalled Windows on your system. And basically, that is how to reinstall Windows 11 without losing data. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.